niggas talking, they say we ain't done enough. You know how we rock and get dropped if you running up. But back to this cash. Back to this money. My niggas be chasing the bag.
L3K, yeah, me, we out here about to go hit the studio, drop that final 48, you ain't that pray for him, you mean? That's how we better get there, you mean? About to set the summer off, you feel me? Start one.
I don't think these niggas got the message clearly. I labeled this my summer back in February. If he ain't down to catch a body, you won't catch him near me. My shooters hoop, I'm only shooting if it's necessary. I'm hearing niggas telling niggas that we copping out, then be quick to hide they faces when we popping out. Yeah, they know we hold our weight, and that's without a doubt. Walk over revolvers and start sparking like what's popping out. If you ain't
catch him leaning off the lean, I mean, and Nina squeezing, leave a nigga red rum. 33 got 17, I seen him slipping, tried to scatter, but he can't run. Demon Legion on the head hunt. They hit and we hit it like N1. The shit in my blood, I don't fear none. Been wild since a buck had the man up. You only alive cause a jam gun. So don't get too comfortable, nigga. That end cutting hoe had to cut a loose triggers, get clutch. We still up on like 1 or 2 niggas.
You only alive cause a jam gun. Real shit, dog.
This nigga's bleeding.
Niggas only alive cause
Tell
a
us.
jam gun.
Tell us he did it.
Fuck boys.
niggas talking like they made the hood. Pussy, you was barely raised in it. Niggas let you slide and you played with it. Talking crazy like you from the Bays, niggas. You a grown man, fucking age difference. This a hell ride, nigga, buckle up. Come and shake something if you tough enough, and even if you don't, we gotta knuckle up. And you a sucker, nigga, you ain't holding weight. Stop talking killer when we know you ain't. I see you tweeting heavy, so you know you're fake. We finna slide up on them like some roller skates. Drop 187 on the 48. Catch him slipping on his dad wheels. He just spitting, I don't need the pippin'. If the shot don't get him, then the crash will.
Y'all niggas know what it is already, man. We about to set the summer off. Shout out to my R&O niggas, man. Shout out to my South Philly niggas. Shout out to my nigga Jesse down 23rd and Dime, you hear me? We about to take this summer the fuck over, dog, on some real shit. We get it rocking, nigga, bottom line. Don't say it if you don't do it, nigga. That's how we rockin'. Shout out to my nigga Chase, man. Free all my niggas, free Richie, free JC, Poppy, free Nell, Fee, Fozzie, all them niggas, bro. Free my brother, too. Got an elbow. Free my grandpa, he got elbow. He out there checking niggas too. Stop playing with us. That shit running my fucking blood, nigga.
Free headshot.
Free headshot, you hear me? We gonna set this summer off. I'm telling y'all, y'all better, you mean? That shit about to be a bad joint. I'm not even gonna talk. I don't gotta talk that much, man. I'm gonna let y'all niggas see we about to fuck this shit up, nigga. And if you ain't with us, you get ran the fuck over.
I don't think these niggas got the message clear.
I heard you fucking saying, Then the thing is, though, we still focus on this money, though, right? Man, I ain't gonna let y'all niggas stop our money, though. Y'all niggas cut.
I know.
Yeah, man, like, niggas know what it is already, man. It's your nigga Ray, fucking building. Me and my boy L3K, man, L3K in the building, man. 4800. Like, I've been telling y'all this wave is coming, like, niggas see it. It's Frankfurt wave, man. 4800, the heart of Frankfurt. Murdered on the Richmond. Richmond started the summer off, you man. Final 48 dropping. You man, watch for this shit. Now for greatness on the way, you know? We fuck with those who fuck with us. Bottom line, y'all, you man, just know y'all been mentioning this shit. So, man, we fuck with
Shout out to my nigga Kyle, Jet Street Kyle, that's my man.
Girl niggas, man, that's all we surround ourselves around, man.
So, Weenie,
If he ain't
and I ain't
loyal,
answer you back on Twitter or some nut shit. Use Weenie, bottom line. Stop writing, people. I'm gonna rap the shit out you. Cause I see y'all tweeting little crazy shit, but I'm not really trying to get into it. But now I'm telling y'all, if y'all do that shit again, I'm beating one of y'all niggas the fuck up.
niggas already know what it is. That's my man, nigga. And I'm
And that
rocking.
shit a rap, cause they not gonna let me fight. They gonna put you in the trunk. And then you gonna be somewhere, you mean. But why we gotta do all that?
Not too much, not too
Why
much.
we gotta do all that?
Not too much.
Oh shit, this joint always back.
We chasing, man. Wide awake. We chasing greatness. Fuck dreams. We chasing
My man
greatness.
chasing
I
that
can't
joint.
wait till a little documentary explaining the Jets and shit. Man, every house, John, taking niggas through every house. Cause a lot of niggas keep saying they from Frankfurt. They grew up in the projects and shit. Come on, dog, stop that shit. I'm living there my whole life, dog. Man, 1919 Fillmore Place, nigga. Real rap. I'm tired of these niggas keep talking this. They lived in the Jets shit. Posting pictures in the back of the Jets, dog. You ain't from the fucking Jets, nigga. Stay over there,
Niggas
dog.
sitting on the outskirts posting pictures, nigga.
That
You
shit
ain't in
crazy,
that motherfucking
dog.
trench.
We get it poppin' on the bricks. Rock it in my pocket. If he touch me, I'ma pop it. He gon' get it. Hit my line up for a drop, I got a hit. Take tackle on the monsters. Vietnam it with no problem. Handle business. Yeah, you don't want no smoke. Don't want no smoke, bitch. Say you don't want no smoke. no smoke. So if he tests us, then he know we finna blow.